Good day, family. I hope you are doing well by the grace of God. I don't know for how long, but in the next coming weeks, we would like to say Operation Change Your Story. Operation Change Your Story. The word change means to make something or to make someone different. It means to alter or to modify. That's what it means to say change. So, what is it that I would like to say today as an introduction? I don't know what happened to you when you grew up. I don't know what happened to you last week. I don't know what happened to you last month. But we are saying Operation Change Your Story. It may happen that your story has not been a very good one amongst other children, but it's time for you to change it. There are so many people who are busy singing this song out there. Hey, hey, mna mamsakela anikhulanga kakuhle. Hey, hey, mna mamsakela abazali bam this, abazali bam that, abazali bam Bantu education, abazali bam did not do this. How old are you now? How old are you now? Are you over 18? If yes, it means that you should stop being a crying baby. It's time for you to make a difference in life. It's time for you to make a change in life. Whatever that you did not like, which your parents did, which maybe your uncles did, or your family did to you, which you did not like, which you still not liking, it's about time for you to change it. If you have got children, you don't have to be singing an old song anymore. They are looking up to you. It's time for you to alter it. It's time for you to modify it. No more singing about your past, that your past has not been kind. We understand that. Everybody has a past that is maybe not pleasing. But it's time for you to make a difference. It's time for you to make a change. How are you going to make a change? By doing something different. By changing your story, it means that whatever that happens to you, which you did not like, you do it right. Time is not against you. If it means that education, schools are still open. If it means that you do not have money, do something. Lima, thunga, yenza igadi, ambo ayina for abantu abafuna ironing, ambo hlambi washing for abantu abafuna ukuhlanjela iwashing. Tyala egadini, do something. Pheka amagwinya, fry amagwinya, uyothengisa esitratweni. Pray about your situation. Even those that are saying, I have tried everything, I have prayed, I have fasted, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are still alive. You are still alive. Meaning that time for you to continue to pray until something happens. It's not over yet. Hey, mamsakela indoda yam this, ayindiphi imali kwaze kwatsha kwacima. Sisi, do something. Thengisa amaswiti. Start small. Hayi, andikwazi ukuthengisa mna, uyatefa. Let me tell you the truth, uyatefa. Time for you to be a crying baby, it's over. It's about time for you to do something for you. Do something for your next generations. Do something for your children. Operation Change Your Story. You are the only one who can change your story by doing something different, by telling the universe that which they do not know. Ukuthi impilo kaNobanzi iyachintsha. Impilo yam iyachintsha from today because I am gonna start doing something positive about my life. I am going to start doing something that is gonna make me to rise again. You can still rise again. You can still wake up and do something different And believe you me, with persistence, with focus, with pushing, with prayer, you will make it. Time for you to change your story is now. Do it now.